Hi, my name is Leonardo Rodriguez. I'm a board artist from Farouk Systems, and I would like to share with you today a very nice, easy technique for these holidays. We call romantic holidays waves. Start doing the sectioning. Make like a pie section in the full head. Talk about 8 or 9 sections. Use our Ultimate Control hairspray. Take a big section, apply a little bit, comb the section, use cooling iron 1 inch and a quarter diameter so I can get a very nice soft wave. Make sure the ends are well curled. Hold the hair, and when you feel the heat in the surface of the hair, it means it's done. And use our Ultimate Control hairspray from Royal Treatment line. This is a very suitable hairspray. You can use it for hard hold or for very workable. Okay, now we release the clips. I'm gonna use just a little bit, a rapid shine from Royal Treatment line with a white heat comb, a very nice soft wave. There's 2 options. You can show the waves very soft like this. Or if your model wants to be kind of wild, then you can do something like this. She can wear to the one side, kind of like a ponytail taste, like this. Use your imagination and that's it.